to the next session, the English program in association with Career Dream Educations and Others College. So, taking you to the main part. Okay, now we shall be taking a brief revision of the models, and all of you must remember these words. Continue.
Shall, should, will, would, must, need to, ought to.
Okay, fine. Now, let's take a quick revision of all the model words which we have studied. To begin with, can. I repeat these words which we have already studied just for a quick revision. Sakta, sakti, sakte. Ram khana kha sakta hai? Yes, Ram can eat the food. Moving on next, very quickly. Could, sakta, tha. Hum patang uda sakte the. We could fly the kite. Now listen very carefully. When I am speaking something, the words must be clear to all of you. Patang udana, fly the kite. On the third note, we have may, M-A-Y, Sambhavna, shayad. In Hindi, shayad means may. Shayad he, may not. वह शायद ही घर लौटेगा. He may not return home. वह शायद घर लौटेगा. He may return home. So shayad means may. Now quickly switch the slide. It's should. Should means चाहिए. सलाह, मशवरा, सजेशन देने के लिए. हमें बारिश के पानी को बचाना चाहिए. We should save rainwater. हमें पेड़ लगाने चाहिए. We should plant trees. Now listen very carefully. This concept, this class is all about listening and speaking. सिर्फ पढ़ना काफी नहीं होगा. So make sure when I speak something, be attentive. Should means चाहिए. राम को घर आना चाहिए. Ram should come home. मम्मी को खाना नहीं बनाना चाहिए. Mummy should not cook food. Now this is should. On the next, we have must. Must means जरूर चाहिए. It is compulsory. Now continue. Must, compulsory, you have to do it. On the next note, we shall be taking will. Will means future. Something you are talking about the future. मैं कल आऊंगा. I will come. A very simple sentence. Mummy कल सब्जी लाएंगी. Mummy will bring vegetables tomorrow. Will means something about the future. And a simple note how to make a request. In English, to make a request, you can use can, could, will, and may. To make a request, can you give me a pen? Will you give me a pen? Could you please give me a pen? Or may you give me a pen? To make a request, could is the best form. Now, it's been a quick revision of the previous words. We're going to start with the next word, would, W-O-U-L-D. It's not would, it's would. L is silent. Now, you see, would is equal to will. Will और would एक जैसे होते हैं. Will future को दिखाता है. Would भी future को दिखाएगा. Will for future, would future. But the difference is that will is used for future tense only. Would काम आता है future के लिए. Would used for future tense, but जो पहले हो चुका है. You can say would will का past tense है. Would will का past tense है. That means जो बात पहले हो चुकी है और वो बात अब आपको बतानी है. Use would. You can see on the screen in positive sentence would plus V1, negative would not plus V1, interrogative would at the beginning, and negative interrogative would at the beginning with a not. Once again I repeat, would means future की बात होगी, but in the past. Let's take some example. Okay, you can see on the screen Krishna, just unmute and read the first sentence.
Yes, sir.
Continue.
उसने बोला था वह आएगा. He told me that he would come.
Okay, उसने बोला था, ये बात अब बीत चुकी है. That point is over. The time is over. उसने बोला था वह आएगा. So it is a future tense. It is a future tense sentence. वह आएगा. But this sentence, ये वाक्य बोला गया था past में. So he told me he would come. वो आएगा. ये बात अब खत्म हो चुकी है. Krishna, go for the second sentence.
सीता ने कहा था कि वह किसी की नहीं सुनेगी. सीता told that she would not listen to anyone.
Okay, सीता ने कहा था. Sita is a girl. Sita told she would not listen to anyone. वो किसी की नहीं सुनेगी. तो किसी की नहीं सुनेगी, it's a future sentence. ये future tense का sentence है. But this is already done. ये बात अब हो चुकी है. तो would is a past tense of will. जब बात हो चुकी है, use would, not will. So this idea is clear to all of you. Would future को दिखाता है, but in the past. Sorry for that. And one more thing to all of you. जब आप कुछ बात कर रहे होते, you are speaking something. इस बीच आपको खांसी आ जाए, you feel a cough or a sneeze, either you can say sorry or you can say excuse me. You can say sorry. अगर आप बात करते वक्त छींक जाते हैं या खांसी आ जाती है, तो सामने वाले को ये ना लगे कि आपको कोरोना है या वो डर ना जाए आपसे, तो say sorry or you can say excuse me gentlemen, or excuse me ladies, or simply excuse me अगर आपके गले में कुछ खराश है या अगर आप किसी बात को बीच में छोड़ के जा रहे हैं. You note this point? अगर आप बीच में से कहीं जा रहे हैं, आप बात करते करते रुक गए या आपको कॉल आ जाता है, तो just 2 words, excuse me, please. That's the best way किसी बात को बीच में रोकने के लिए. And even if you want to ask me, आप मुझसे कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं, and I am speaking, मैं पढ़ा रहा हूं, and you want to ask me something, first say, excuse me sir, may I ask something? Okay? Now, let's give an example. Krishna, just unmute yourself and tell me किस तरह से आप बोलेंगे. Excuse me sir, may I ask something? Continue Krishna.
Yes, sir. Excuse me,
आप
sir,
किस
may
तरह
I
से
something?
बोलेंगे? Continue.
उसने बोला था वह आएगा.
No. Just try this in English. आपको मुझसे कुछ पूछना है, कृष्णा को विनायक से कुछ पूछना है, तो आप कैसे पूछेंगे? Excuse me sir,
Excuse me,
may I
sir,
ask something?
may I ask something?
Right. Divya ji, please repeat the same sentence. How will you ask me? आप मुझसे कैसे पूछेंगी?
Excuse me, sir. Can I ask you something?
Perfect question. Excuse me के बाद you have to take a break. Excuse me, take a break. May I ask a question? Good. Can I ask a question? Is okay. But go for may. Okay, Lavya, just go for this. How will you ask a question? Okay, Lavya, just unmute yourself.
Excuse me, sir. May I ask something?
Okay, that's also good. Excuse me, sir. May I ask something? Okay. Now this is the way how to ask a question. With confidence and decency. शिष्टाचार. English में तुम और आप दोनों को you कहते हैं. So when you speak something, your words should be clear and respectful. शब्दों में इज्जत दिखनी चाहिए. Now let's move on to the next topic. Okay. Would is equal to request. क्या आप मुझे खाना देंगे? Would you please give me some food? Would and could both are same. Could you please help me? Good. Would you please help me? That is also good. Would और could request करने में काम आते. Request करते समय काम आते. Okay. Now Mansi, just try 2 sentences with would to make a request. Mansi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just try 2 sentences. Make a request with would.
Would you please give me a uh,
Anything. Would you please give me a?
would you please give me a chocolate?
Okay, good. And how will you ask time? आप time कैसे पूछेंगे?
Would you please tell me your time? Tell me a time.
Tell me. Okay, not a time. Tell me
Tell me
the time.
time.
The means particular
Sorry,
time.
sir,
Would you please tell me the time?
but I want to say the.
Okay. Please continue. I didn't get you. मुझे आप समझ में नहीं आया. I didn't get you. Continue.
Would you please give
Mm-hmm. Would you please?
Would you please tell me the time?
Okay, that's also good. Would you please tell me the time? And you know what? Please is a very decent word. Please एक शिष्टाचार वाला शब्द है to show the respect, to show your respect for the person. Would you please tell me the time? So would is
Sir,
equal to.
may I ask something?
Please continue.
Sir, would you means आप देना चाहेंगे?
Okay.
तो सर हम जब ऐसे हम बोलते हैं तो हम एक तरह से पूछ रहे हैं ना कि आप देना चाहेंगे या फिर
Right. You know
वो
what?
रिक्वेस्ट में हो जाती है.
Right. Would and could. Would, WOULD, and could. These two words are related to request. Would you please give me a glass of water? I am very thirsty. मैं प्यासा हूँ. I am very thirsty. Would you please give me a piece of bread? I am very hungry. Or you can say, could you please give me a piece of bread? I am very hungry. Hungry means bhuka. So would and could, both are same. Okay? Now, let's take you to a new topic based on would. Okay. You can see on the screen, would you like to? Would you like to? These words are used for invitation. Would you like to? Okay. Now, Kanchan, just unmute yourself and read all these 4 sentences to invite somebody, to invite someone. Continue.
Would you like to join me at the dinner tonight?
Okay. Okay. Try the next.
Would you like to have some tea?
Okay.
Would
Third
you
sentence.
like to come with us?
Okay. And fourth sentence.
Would you like to have a cup of coffee?
Perfect. Now to all of you, listen carefully. Would you like to? These 4 words should be spoken together. इन चारों शब्दों को एक साथ बोलना है, टुकड़े नहीं करने हैं. Would you like to join me at the dinner tonight? जब आप बात करते हैं तो शब्दों को किस स्पीड से बोलना है? How fast and how slow you have to speak depends on your own understanding. इतनी समझ आपको होनी चाहिए शब्दों को कितनी तेजी से या कितना धीमा बोलना है. If you are very slow, would you like to join me at the dinner tonight? This is the most rubbish English. If you are very slow, if you are speaking, अगर आप हर एक शब्द को बोलने जाओगे तो आप बेवकूफ कहलाएंगे. और हर एक शब्द को धीरे धीरे बोलोगे. Would you like to join me at the dinner tonight? This is the most worst English. और ये आपको मजाक का पात्र बना देगी. You will be a joke of the party. So speak clearly and speak at a suitable speed. Would you like to join me at the dinner? Would you like to join me at the dinner? Would you like to have a cup of coffee? So this is the way. When you speak something, आसानी से बोलना है. हर शब्द को इतना भी खींच के नहीं बोलना है कि आप बेवकूफ दिखें और इतना भी फास्ट नहीं बोलना है कि आप लगे कि यार ये तो बहुत बड़ा अंग्रेज है. Get the point? The speed should be clear. Would you like to join me at the party? Hello, Naresh. Would you like to have a cup of coffee? Cup of coffee. Sorry for the wrong pronunciation. Okay, now try once again. Navika ji, just ask a question. आपको सामने वाले से पूछना है, क्या वो पानी पिएंगे? Ask the invitation. Navika ji, just continue.
Yes, sir. Would you like to have a drink of water? Drink a glass of water.
Okay, do not say drink. Would you like to have a glass of water? Repeat once
Okay.
again.
Would you like to have drink of water?
No, no, no. Drink mat boliye. Once again. Narika
Would
ji,
you
continue.
like Would you like to
Have.
have water?
Okay. Or you can say, would you like to have a glass of water?
Okay.
Now continue.
Okay. Would you like to have a glass of water?
Okay. Perfect. Keep it simple and clear. Now one more thing. मैं होटल जाता हूँ अपनी सिस्टर के साथ और मुझे अपनी सिस्टर को पूछना है क्या आप रोटी लेंगी या चावल लेंगी. So what I will speak, would you like to have some rice or chapati? So you can take an option. You can take an option. Now try once again. Navika ji, you go to a hotel और आपको अपनी मम्मी से पूछना है आप सब्जी लेंगी या सूप लेंगी. ऑप्शन के साथ. कंटिन्यू.
Would you like to have a curry or chapati?
Okay. Sabji means curry. Would you like to have some curry or chapati? Or you may means शायद, or you may have soup. जब आप बात करते हैं तो make sure the words should come continuously. शब्द रुकने नहीं चाहिए. So mummy, would you like to have some curry or chapati? Or you may have soup. In English, the word have इसके बहुत सारे मतलब होते हैं. To have soup, क्या आप सूप पिएंगे? To have ice cream, क्या आप आइसक्रीम खाएंगे? To have a cup of coffee, क्या आप कॉफी पिएंगे? So have is something जो drink और eat को दिखाता है. So आपको ये नहीं कहना है to drink a glass of water, to have a glass of water. Be polite and be clear. So would you like to? Used for invitation. Now try once again. Krishna, just ask this in English. क्या आप मेरे साथ पार्क चलेंगे? क्या आप मेरे साथ पार्क चलेंगे?
Yes, sir.
Krishna, try this.
Would you
Krishna?
like to come to park?
Okay. Your voice is breaking a bit, Krishna. Try once again. Would you like to?
Would you like to come to park?
Okay. Would you like to come to the park with me? मेरे साथ. Okay. Divya ji, just unmute yourself. Just try this sentence. क्या आप मेरे साथ मंदिर चलेंगे?
Would you like to join with me at temple at
Okay.
no sir.
See.
Would you like to join go to temple with me?
Join को हटाइए. Would you like to come with me? मेरे साथ to the temple.
Okay,
Would
sir.
you like to come with me?
Would-
मेरे साथ to the temple. Try once again.
Okay, sir. Would you like to come
With me.
with? Would you like to come with me to the temple?
Right. Now to all of you. Today is the 6th class going on. Till your 10th class, जब तक आपकी 10th class नहीं हो जाती, we shall work more and more on your grammar. And after the 10th class is done, you will be working more on your speaking. हमें सबसे पहले grammar part को cover करना होगा to make sure you are clear with the rules and regulations of English. And then you will work more on your speaking part. So this is the first part. We are done with models, how to make an invitation using would you like to. Now, let's move on to the next slide. First, or you can say, let's switch to the next slide. Switch means बदलना. मैंने अपना job switch कर दिया है. I have switched my job. I have switched my job. Switch means to change something. So when I say, let's move on to the next slide, let's move on to the next slide. I mean to say, let's switch to the next slide. Okay. And this time we have a new tense on the screen. The present continuous tense. The present continuous tense. Okay. Lakshita, just unmute yourself and read what is given on the screen.
सर सिर्फ सेंटेंस पढ़ना है.
Okay. The Hindi and English part, both.
ओके ओके सर. राम पत्र लिख रहा है. राम इज राइटिंग लेटर.
No, not this one, Lakshita. From the starting
Okay,
part. From the starting.
ओके 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 सर.
Continue.
एक्टिविटीज गोइंग ऑन. चल रहा है,
Okay.
चल रही है, चल रहे हैं. राम
Okay.
घर बना रहा है. राम मंदिर जा रहे, हम मंदिर जा रहे हैं. मैं
Okay.
सो रहा हूँ.
Okay. Now read the English and Hindi both translations.
ओके सर. राम इज राइटिंग लेटर. राम पत्र लिख रहा है. आई एम
Okay.
स्टिचिंग क्लोथ्स. मैं कपड़े सिल रहा हूँ. दे आर राइडिंग बाइक्स. वे बाइक चला रहे हैं.
Okay. Now this is the most popular tense of English. That's the most popular and widely used tense of English. कर रहा है. I am doing something. He is doing something. We are doing something. So present continuous tense is based on activities actually going on. Continuous means चल रहा है लगातार. Continuous means जो लगातार चल रहा है. In Hindi, रहा है, रहे हैं and रही है. और रहा हूं, रहा रही रहे, हैं हूं हैं. Just like the previous tense, present simple, it was tati te. In present simple tense, tati te, main पहचान थी. In present continuous, रहा रही रहे, with is MR in English. So make sure in Hindi it is रहा रही रहे. In English is MR. This is the positive part. We are done. Now let's move to the negative part. Okay, this is the negative part which you can see on the screen. Kanchan, just unmute yourself. Kanchan,
Yes.
just unmute
Yes.
and read what's given on the screen.
So वे कचरा नहीं जला रहे हैं. They are not burning garbage. मीरा पाठ नहीं पढ़ रही है. मीरा is not reading the lesson.
Okay, continue. Okay, the first sentence, हम नहीं जा रहे.
हम नहीं जा रहे. We are not going. तुम नहीं
Okay.
भूल रहे. You are not forgetting.
Okay, this is the negative part using is MR, not, is not, am not, are not. Okay, Navika ji, just unmute yourself. Let's give a question. Try this. पापा दिल्ली नहीं जा रहे हैं. Please repeat once again.
Papa is not going to Delhi.
Okay, now try this. मैं दिल्ली नहीं जा रहा हूँ.
I am not going to Delhi.
Okay, और हम दिल्ली नहीं जा रहे हैं.
We are not going to Delhi.
Okay. The idea is quite clear. Is, not, am, not, are not, and use V1 ing. Now please note, we have to use V1 ing. That's the main thing. This is present continuous. Continuous का मतलब लगातार चलना. So you have to use V1 ing. Now this is the negative part we have done. Now let's take on to the next part. Okay, this is the interrogative part. Interrogative. Divya ji, just unmute yourself and read the question part. Interrogative. How to make a question?
Yes, sir. राम काम पर जा रहा है. राम is going for home. As Ram
work?
going for work.
Right. To make a question, is MR start में आ जाएगा. Keep the words is MR at the beginning of a sentence. Beginning means starting part. So positive is MR, negative is not, am not, are not. Clear. Interrogative, keep the words at the beginning. Now let's try some sentences. Okay, you can see on the screen these are some Hindi sentences, handwritten sentences. Okay, let's begin with the first sentence. Divya ji, just try the first sentence in positive form.
Okay, sir. माँ दिल्ली से आ रही है.
Okay. In Hindi, in English?
मम्मी कम.
Mummy is.
Sorry sir. Mummy
Continue.
is come in Delhi.
Delhi से. From Delhi.
From Delhi.
Once again.
Mummy come from Delhi.
No. Use is.
Sorry sir. Mummy is
Continue.
come from Delhi.
Again make a change. Mummy is coming.
Coming from Delhi.
Okay. So use is MR with ing. Divya ji, last time continue the sentence. Same.
Okay sir.
Okay.
Mummy is coming from Delhi.
That's the perfect sentence with good confidence. Last time आप डरते डरते बोल रहे थे. You were having a bit fear. Even if you speak wrong, no worries. Speak boldly. Okay. Now Mansi, just unmute yourself and make negative. Mansi, just
Sir?
unmute and make a negative.
सर what?
Yeah, Mansi.
खेलने वाले को क्या बोलते हैं?
Please repeat.
Mansi,
no worries, आप पूछिए.
क्या बोलते हैं?
सर ठेले वाला means.
Okay. Just a minute. Mansi, just a minute. We will continue with the first question only. The first sentence.
Okay. Okay.
Make negative.
Negative.
हाँ. Mummy is coming from Delhi. Negative sentence.
Mama, are you coming from Delhi?
No. It's a question. आपको नेगेटिव बनाना है. मम्मी इज कमिंग फ्रॉम दिल्ली का नेगेटिव क्या होगा? मम्मी इज.
1 minute.
Okay. Mansi, are you there? Okay, let me
Sir,
give you an
Mummy is
idea.
not coming from Delhi.
That's the right sentence. And do not worry. No sorries. No, please don't be sorry. Even आप सभी में से अगर गलती हो जाती है,
Sir, actually
don't
मैं
be sorry for
panic हो
that.
जाती हूँ तो मुझे लगा कि
That's the main point, Mansi ji. You know what? This is not just a class to learn. This is the pure experience of competition. If you are feeling fear, आपको डर लगता है, you feel panic, घबराहट होती है, उसे होने दो. Just keep it on. After some time, it will be normal for you. आप सोचिए
So
सबसे ज्यादा
Mummy is
घबराहट
not
तो मुझे
coming
होती है.
from Delhi.
That's the right sentence.
Okay.
Simple and clear. Now, Divya ji, just make a interrogative question. This time, Divya, make a question. Mummy is coming from Delhi. What will be the question?
Okay sir.
Try. Mummy is coming from Delhi. Make a question.
Is Mummy coming from Delhi?
Perfect. Is Mummy coming from Delhi? Okay, now Mansi, over to you. Quickly read the first sentence. Mansi, just read the first sentence in Hindi.
Yes sir.
Mm-hmm.
माँ दिल्ली से आ रही है.
Okay, make a positive sentence.
Mama,
Is.
Mama
okay.
is coming from Delhi.
Okay, make a negative sentence.
Mama is not coming from Delhi.
Make a question.
Mama, are you coming from Delhi?
No. इसको आगे रखिए. Is mama coming?
Okay. Is Mama coming from Delhi?
Perfect. Now this is the complete answer. Positive, negative, and interrogative. Done. Okay. Now we shall take the second sentence. Now, Lakshita ji.
Yes,
okay.
Sir.
Shubham, am I clear to you? My voice is breaking, I suppose, for you. I got a message. Is my voice clear?
Yes, sir.
To all of you, my voice is clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Lakshita, the second sentence. ठेले वाला जूते बेच रहा है. ठेले वाला means जो लारी चलाता है, who used to sell on the road. Hawker. In English? It's- Okay, continue with the positive, negative, and interrogative. Quick.
Hawker is selling the shoes.
Okay,
Positive.
not the shoes, only shoes. The hawker is selling shoes.
Okay.
Negative,
Hawker is not selling shoes.
interrogative.
Is Hawker selling is Hawker selling shoes?
Okay, perfect. Now, Kanchan, just unmute yourself and go with questions. Positive, negative, interrogative. Okay, Kanchan, my voice is clear to you? Just unmute.
हाँ सर आ रही है.
Yes, Kanchan. Now, continue with the second sentence. Hawker, ठेले वाला. Continue.
Hawker is selling shoes.
Okay, shoes. Next, negative.
Hawker is not selling shoes.
Okay, interrogative.
Is Hawker
Is-
not sorry sir.
Continue. Is hawker
Is Hawker
selling?
selling shoes?
Okay, clear.
Is Hawker selling shoes?
Right. Is hawker selling shoes? Clear. Now, in this sentence, the hawker is a particular person. तो hawker में आपको द लगाना है, shoes में द नहीं लगाना. Is the hawker selling shoes? Hawker is a particular person. Particular person के लिए द लगाना है आपको. Okay. Navika ji, just continue with the third question. दूध वाला, milkman. दूध वाला means milkman. And
Okay,
charge
sir.
means buttermilk.
Buttermilk.
Charge. Now continue with positive, negative, interrogative.
Milkman is bringing buttermilk. Is
Okay.
milkman bringing buttermilk?
Okay.
Milkman is not bringing buttermilk.
Okay. So दूध वाला means milkman, and charge means buttermilk. Okay. Now Krishna, just unmute yourself and go for the 3 sentences again.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Continue.
Milkman is bring buttermilk.
Okay. Negative.
Milkman is not bring buttermilk.
Not bring, bringing, ing. Okay. And interrogative.
Is milkman bringing buttermilk?
Perfect. Okay. Now let me check. Naresh, are you there online? Is Naresh there? No, Naresh is
No,
not
sir,
there.
he's not there.
Okay. No worries. Now, let's try with Mansi ji. Mansi ji, just unmute and go
Yes,
over the
sir.
4th sentence. Go for the 4th sentence.
मैं चाय बना रही हूँ.
Continue. Quick.
I'm making no.
You are right. You are definitely right. No, don't say no. I'm making.
I'm making a cup of tea.
Okay, चलेगा. I'm making a cup of tea. आप एक कप चाय बनाइए. With negative
I'm not making a cup of tea.
and a question.
Is I making a cup of tea?
No, not is I. Am I?
Is I am
Am
making
I?
a cup of tea?
Right. So am I making a cup of tea? Question also. Am I? Okay. अब बताइए आपका डर दूर हुआ? Are you still having a fear or panic?
No, sir.
No. और सबसे अच्छी बात यह है, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में आपको आंसर नहीं भी आता हो, टीचर कितना भी गुस्सा हो, ना वो आपको मार सकता है ना डांट सकता है, और ना आप
Yes.
कुछ कर सकते. तो नो वरीज, ना आपको डांटा जाएगा, ना किसी तरह की शिकायत की जाएगी. दिस इज अ कंप्लीट ओपन कम्युनिकेशन क्लासेस. इफ यू फील गुड, लेट मी नो. इफ यू फील बैड ऑल्सो, लेट मी नो कि नो सर ये तरीका सही नहीं है. Let's switch the method. So we will go for another method to help you understand. Okay, now we have a last sentence.
हम बर्तन धोने जा रहे हैं.
Okay, try with only positive.
धोने जा रहे हैं.
जाने
We
को क्या
are
बोलते हैं?
going-
Going.
We are
right.
going. धोने को क्या बोलते हैं?
To wash.
We are going
wash.
to wash.
बर्तन. Utensil.
What, sir?
Utensils.
We are going to wash our utensils.
Right. Utensils means bartan.
But
Utensils means bartan. Okay. Shubham, you have sent me a message. There is a network issue. Okay, no worries. In that case, Shubham, if you are not able to get a proper idea, either you may use the YouTube video, or we shall share the study material with you for a better understanding. And even if you feel more problem, let me know personally. We will sort it out. So this is the last sentence. Okay, Lakshita, just make a negative sentence quickly.
We are not going to wash utensils.
Okay, and interrogative.
Interrogative.
Are we
Are we
going to
going to wash utensils?
now quickly make all the three sentences together? Positive, negative, interrogative. Quickly.
We are going to wash utensils. We are not
Done.
going to wash utensils. Are we going
Okay.
to wash utensils?
Right. This is the final part. Done now. Now, whatever answers you have given, all of you have given, all these answers were correct. वो सही थे. Were means थे. You can check your answers on the screen. Positive sentences. The answers are there on the screen. For a couple of seconds, you can just read it and go through it. Couple of means hardly 2 or 3 seconds. When I say couple of, it means 2 or 3. So couple of seconds, you can go through it. Negative, again, it's there on your screen. Is not, am not, are not. Interrogative, again, is mummy coming from Delhi? Is the hawker selling shoes? Is the milkman bringing buttermilk? Am I preparing tea? And are we going to wash utensils? This is the interrogative done finally. Now, the tense part is finally over. We have taken a new screen, the vocabulary part, the words part. Now, any one of you, just unmute yourself and read the words quickly. Any one of you. Quick, go for it. Anyone means anyone. I won't say the name. Just any one of you, unmute and go for the words.
Can I
Yes, sir.
Okay, Divyaji, continue, please.
यहाँ here वहाँ there
Okay.
go to से from with by के लिए for to के साथ with में in के बारे में about पर on पीछे behind आगे in front of बाद में after पहले before फिर then बीच में between के दौरान during.
Okay, that's fine. See, these are the basic words of English called preposition. These words are preposition, which shows the position. So when you make a sentence in Hindi or English, these words shows the position. These words show the position. For example, मैं और पापा काम के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. मैं और पापा, I and Papa, are talking about the work. About means के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Second, शक्कर डब्बे में रखी है. The sugar is in the box. In means में. मैं मम्मी के साथ मंदिर जा रही हूं. I am going to temple. मैं I am going to temple. मम्मी के साथ with my mother या with mummy. So in tomorrow's class, I will ask orally these words with a sentence. Either you write the sentence in your copy, or I will ask orally. Just make 2 sentences with पर, on, pen, table पर रखा है. The pen is on the table. किताब fridge पर रखी है. The book is on the fridge. So tomorrow I will take an oral test of all these words, but the sentence should be in present continuous tense. मैं plate table पर रख रही हूं. I am keeping the plate on the table. The sentences should be in present continuous tense, रहा रही रहे, with these words. So tomorrow class, it will be taken orally as a test. So I suppose this idea is done to you based on word power. And quickly coming to the next and the last part. Okay, the speaking part, almost it is getting 4:50 now. The time is getting 4:50. So we're going to end the session. You can see on the screen Lakshita, just read the words. What's there on the screen?
Please and sorry and thank you. Could you please
Golden
lend me
words.
your Yep,
Okay,
golden word.
continue.
Could you please lend me your pen? Could you please
Okay.
get a cab for me? I'm afraid.
Cab means taxi. Okay.
I'm afraid I can't attend the meeting.
Okay,
I'm
Lakshita ji, just
sorry.
take a break.
Okay, sir.
Just a minute. I am afraid means क्या होता है? I am afraid
मुझे डर है.
means
नहीं.
okay. In Hindi, right, it is right. मुझे डर है. But the real meaning is I am sorry. I am afraid का real मतलब है I am sorry. When you are talking on a phone or when somebody is asking you, आप आओगे या नहीं आओगे? You can say I am afraid. I am sorry कहने से अच्छा है I am afraid. I can't attend the meeting. Okay, continue.
I'm sorry for keeping you wait.
What does it mean? क्या मतलब है इसका?
मैंने तुमसे मतलब मैंने तुम्हें वेट करवाया उसके लिए सॉरी.
Okay. So you can say I'm sorry for keeping you wait. I am sorry एक साथ बोलना है. For keeping you wait. I'm sorry for keeping you wait. Okay, last two sentences.
Thank you so much for your kind support.
Okay, and the last one.
Thank you for your support and cooperation.
Okay, now all of you just listen carefully how she reads the sentences. While reading the sentences, the words should be clear, the meaning should be clear, and your emotion, जिस तरह की feelings हैं आपकी, वो clear होनी चाहिए. If you are requesting something, आपको झुक के बात करनी है. You have to speak with humbleness. शिष्टाचार, थोड़ा सा झुक के बात करनी है. When you are saying sorry, आपको थोड़ा सा झुकना होगा. And when you are saying thank you, then आपको खुश होके बोलना पड़ेगा. Thank you so much for your kind support. Thank you so much for your support and cooperation. And it is my pleasure to have you. In place of saying thank you, you can say, it's my pleasure to have you. Thank you so much. So, this is the speaking part. And to end today's part, we have one English proverb, English kahawat, which will be the end of today's class. English kahawat. Okay, Divya ji, just unmute and read the kahawat in Hindi and English. The kahawat. The is particular. Please, Divya ji, continue.
Yes, sir.
Dhana. Yeah, please. Okay.
थोता चना बाजे घना अंधजल गगरी छलकत जाए.
Chalkat. Okay. English.
Empty visual makes much noise.
Okay. Thank you so much, Divya ji. Now let's understand ये कहानी क्या है. ये एक हिंदी वर्ड है, थोता चना बाजे घना. It means जो अंदर से खाली होता है. थोता चना means अंदर से चना खाली है, तो वो ज्यादा आवाज करेगा. जब हम चनों को गर्म करते हैं, in India there is a tradition of heating the grams. चना means ग्राम, 1 ग्राम 2 ग्राम. जो आप मार्केट में जाते हैं 500 ग्राम्स, तो चना मीन्स ग्राम. जब चने को गर्म किया जाता है तो उसमें से आवाज आती है. अगर चना खाली होगा तो आवाज ज्यादा आएगी. सेकंड, अधजल गगरी. गगरी मीन्स अ पॉट ऑफ वाटर, पानी का मटका. गगरी, पानी का मटका. तो जिस मटके में पानी कम होता है उसमें से पानी ज्यादा छलकता है. छलकता यू मीन, यू अंडरस्टैंड छलकता? व्हेन यू शेक अ पॉट, उस मटके को आप हिलाएंगे तो पानी ज्यादा गिरेगा, पानी जोर जोर से उछलेगा. सो अधजल गगरी, आधा या कम भरी हुई पानी का जो मटका होता है उसमें पानी ज्यादा उछलता है. तो खाली चना ज्यादा आवाज करता है. पानी का मटका जो कम भरा हुआ है उसमें पानी ज्यादा उछलता है. इसका रियल मतलब है जिसके पास नॉलेज नहीं होती है. A less knowledgeable person makes more sound. जिसमें नॉलेज कम होती है वो इंसान ज्यादा बातें करता है. In English, empty vessel makes much noise. खाली आदमी या लेस नॉलेज वाला आदमी ज्यादा बकबक करता है. This idea is clear to all of you? तो अगर आप समझदार हैं, अगर आप नॉलेजेबल हैं, तो कम बोला करें, बट बोले और क्लियर बोला करें नॉलेज के साथ. कम नॉलेज वाला आदमी ज्यादा बकबक करता है. बस हिंदी में कहें, सिंपल हिंदी में, तो जिसको कुछ नहीं आता वो फेंकता ज्यादा है, बड़बड़ ज्यादा करता है, वो फेकू होता है. A less knowledgeable person speaks more. So I suppose this is the word of wisdom for today's class. We have come to the conclusion now, and make sure Empty vessel make much noise. Okay. Now we have come to the end of the conclusion. Okay then. So wishing you thanks a lot for the same and wish you a best of health and happiness. जब आप कुछ खत्म करते हैं तो सामने वाले को आप कह सकते हैं wish
Thank
you
you, sir.
welcome, and at the end you can say wish you best of health and happiness. अपनी health और खुशियों का ख्याल रखिएगा. Okay class, thank you so
Thank
much.
you,
And see you
sir.
tomorrow. Okay, welcome
Thank
to
you,
all of
sir.
you.